Hi, I'm Amanda with the Muncie Public Library. Did you know that you shouldn't feed bread to birds? While bread won't hurt the birds, it doesn't provide any nutrients for them. They also might eat so much bread that they get full and don't want to eat food that is healthy for them. So what should you feed the birds? Different birds eat different kinds of food. Some love nectar and fruits. Others love corn and seeds. Blue jays and woodpeckers really love whole peanuts in their shells. If you put a few whole peanuts in a feeder, you might see blue jays within a few minutes. But almost all birds love sunflower seeds, and it's easy to make a feeder so that you can enjoy watching the birds eat.
Okay, for the bird feeder, you'll need a paper tube, vegetable shortening or nut butter, sunflower seeds, string, a butter knife, and a plate. Spread the sunflower seeds on a plate. Use a butter knife to cover the tube with vegetable shortening. It should be thick so the seeds will stick. Roll the tube in the seeds until they stick all over. You might need to use your hands to get some of the seeds to stick to it. Pass the string through the tube and tie a knot to make a hanger. Hang your feeder in a tree or on a bush and wait for the birds to come.
Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy watching your birds.